Hey guys, it's Mindy from MommyMouseClubhouse.com, and we are back in the kitchen today to make another Disney Halloween treat. Before we do, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of the fun. During Halloween time at Disneyland, you can pick up one of these adorable Mickey Mummy macarons at the Jolly Holiday Cafe, or you can use this recipe to make them at home yourself. Let's get started. Here are the ingredients for the cookies. 1 1/4 cup almond flour, 1 3/4 cup powdered sugar, 4 egg whites, 1/8 teaspoon of cream of tartar, 1/3 cup of granulated sugar. Here are some tools that will help you in the kitchen: a food processor, a mesh strainer, a spatula, a stand mixer, mixing bowls, baking sheets, parchment paper, and a cooling rack. The first step is to measure and place the almond flour and powdered sugar in a food processor. Pulse it 10 to 15 times and then send the mixture through a mesh strainer. Repeat this process 2 more times for a smooth-topped macaron. To make the meringue, you will need the whisk attachment for your stand mixer. Add the egg whites and the cream of tartar to the bowl. Beat the mixture until it begins to turn white and opaque. Turn the mixer on low and gradually add in the sugar. Then turn the mixer back on high and beat the egg whites until stiff peaks form. It should be stiff enough that if you turn the bowl upside down, nothing would move. Next, you will add 1/3 of the dry ingredients into the egg white mixture and fold it in by hand with a spatula. Repeat this until all of the dry ingredients have been added. Continue to fold the mixture together until you can make a figure 8 without the batter breaking. The batter should be the consistency of lava. To prepare the pan, print 4 copies of the Mickey Mouse template stencil that is linked down below and fit them onto your baking sheet. You can use a little piece of tape to secure it if you want. Cover the template with parchment paper. Here's a little trick to add the batter to a piping bag. Get a cup or glass and place the piping bag inside. Fold the ends over the glass and then use a spatula to add the macaron batter. Use a pair of scissors to snip off the end of the piping bag. Hold the bag over the Mickey template and pipe out enough batter to cover the head, followed by the ears. Drop the pan 3 to 5 times on the countertop to help eliminate bubbles, and then let the batter rest for 45 minutes. Bake the macarons at 320 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes, rotating the pan at 7 minutes. Once you remove them from the oven, let them rest on the baking sheet for 20 minutes before transferring them to a cooling rack to completely cool. Now it's time to make the cookies and cream filling. Here are the ingredients that you'll need: 1/2 cup of butter, softened, 6 Oreo cookies crushed into crumbs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 cups of powdered sugar, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of milk or heavy cream. Add the softened butter to a stand mixer and beat on high for a minute or 2 until it is light and fluffy. Crush your Oreos into crumbs either in a food processor or put them in a Ziploc bag and smash them with a rolling pin. Add the Oreo crumbs and the vanilla extract to the softened butter and mix to combine. Next, pour in the powdered sugar 1 cup at a time, mixing thoroughly in between. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of milk or cream to the filling to thin it out if necessary. Here's what you'll need to assemble the macarons: a piping bag, candy melts, a Ziploc bag, and candy eyes. Flip half of the cookies over so that the back side is facing up. After adding the filling to a piping bag, snip off the end and begin to pipe the filling onto the back of the cookies. Place another cookie on top of the filling. Add half of the bag of candy melts to a glass bowl and melt in the microwave according to the package directions. Add the melted mixture to a sandwich-sized Ziploc bag and snip off a tiny piece of one corner. Go back and forth in a diagonal motion across all of the cookies to create a drizzle. Repeat going the opposite way back across the cookies. Place 2 candy eyes on the Mickey-shaped macaron using more of the white candy melts if needed. I used small tongs to not disturb the white drizzles. I hope you love these Mickey Mummy macarons as much as we do. They sure help us feel some Disney Halloween magic at home. Please remember to subscribe if you haven't already and visit MommyMouseClubhouse.com for more Disney recipes. See you real soon!